sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Alright, Pi Guy here. I'm going to show you how we can load the firmware to our Teeny here for our TNC. So I have it plugged into my computer using the USB to USB micro here. So the first thing we need to do is get the latest firmware. So if we just open that guy up, pick which one you need, which I'm going to need this one here. And if it opens up here, we could just download it by going over here other than waiting for it to come up. Then we can go back and download the application here to put it on. So we can just download that. Then we can just install this or run it. Okay, so it says here, press the button. Alright, so there's that. And we need the firmware. So now we can go to File, Open, go to wherever you saved that firmware at. Open Program. And let's do a reboot. And we should be good to go. The firmware should be on there if everything went okay. I'll throw a link in the description. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.